everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKR, and welcome to my channel. And I am embarking on another KS Resin competition, and so these are the colors. And I'll tell you what, when I first saw the June challenge with the color palette, I thought, I don't know if I would want to play. But then curiosity got the best of me, and I thought, I'll give it a chance. So these are the colors. There's this light sky blue, and I'll flash the colors up so you can see how well they've matched. This is a greenish yellow. This is a yellow with a red mixture in it. This is some kind of brown. And actually, truth be told, I started with the taupe from last month, and I added to it to change it a little bit. And I've got this yellowish, reddish brown going on now. Oh, you know what? It's too thick. I gotta add some water to that, or maybe some pouring medium. And this looks like black. I started with black. I should have started with another color, because I put so much yellow in this to get this to be this yellowy black. It's not even funny. So I looked at the color wheel, I looked at their hex number for this color, and there's like 40% yellow in here, if you can believe it. So I'll be using my Multi-Pro. I'm going to be doing coasters, because I'm going to try it on something small. And I may just go with coasters if this turns out for the competition this month. Okay, I'll be back in a second. All right, we're on number 3. Number 3. I put a little bit more color down this time than I had last time. Like I say in prior videos, you're always adjusting. At least I'm always adjusting. Every pour. It's never going to be the same. So everyone, you can see what I'm doing. I'm quadruple timing through this. That was starting out as the light blue. This is the black that has that 40% or so of yellow in it, which I couldn't believe how much yellow I had to add. This is that yellow ochre. It started out as yellow ochre with a little bit of red in it to redden it up and match the color palette correctly. And this is that brown. It started out as a Van Dyke brown with a little red Cunag and yellow added to it to lighten it up. And back to real time. Now I've got bubbles. Bubbles are percolating. And if you get air bubbles, you definitely want to hit them with a toothpick before you blow it out or spin. Probably saying, you got way too much color down. Well, we'll see what happens. A little bit of black. Just a dabber. And more of the white. Can't find my lips. Alrighty, well, if you've been with me for a while, you know I like to talk through the blowout so you don't have to hear me panting. So for the new people, what I do is I blow first straight down into the cell activator to get it to spread out, and ideally I wanted to have it spread in a full circle. Once I start seeing a ridge form and cells begin, I hit that ridge with my next breath of air on an angle, and then try to blow it out with the idea of skimming the cell activator over the paint and the paint over the pillow as I blow it out. I go to all sides. Don't need to get all the way to the edges, but just want to make sure I blow it out as I go. So I'm going to blow through the straw to try to get the cells to form a little bit. I'm going to double time right here. Put down too much cell activator that time. Too much white, without doubt. Sometimes when you have a problem with the cell activator coming back, it could be a couple things. I don't know why I'm putting it in the tray. Too much cell activator. Cell activator is too thick. It doesn't want to allow the paints below to push through it. That's why the cell activator's got to be thin. so the other paints below can follow the air bubbles up and breathe and get out of the paint quagmire, if that makes any sense. The undercolors have got to percolate up and bleed through the cell activator. All right. This is very rich in color. Rich. Not beautiful colors, but together they play nicely together. Yeah, I don't like that section. Yikes. It seems like there's always one little part of the blow that doesn't come out right. Going around in circles. I can attest I have never done this color palette before. With certainty. I don't mind that brown on the corner there. It looks kind of cute. As cute as brown can be. I feel like brown's a cute color. This one's really cool. There's a lot of dynamic going on in there. My yellow is hiding. My yellow is hiding. There's just hints of yellow. I need to get more yellow in the next one. I'm going to cut out the cleanup on this step. This color palette's growing on me. So this is where this one is. So everyone, that's a wrap. And here are the 4 coasters I created using this color combo. I hope this video just goes to show that even given some very kind of plain colors, you can lay them together nicely and create a great combination. And here's a composite of my creation, the paints I used, and the colors I had to match to. And here's a short video of the resined results. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment and a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And at the very end here, I'm going to have a link to more bloom coasters if you're interested in other color palettes. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. Till next time.